Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will take you with us on a journey to discover what if Earth stopped spinning. Our Earth is rotating, and along with it, everything that exists is also rotating. So what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped rotating? First of all, our weight would increase a bit, but that wouldn't be so important because the Earth's rotation is much more important. We would realize this as soon as the Earth's rotation stops. If the Earth's rotation suddenly stopped, it would be like a car running at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour coming to a sudden halt, a disastrous accident. We have all experienced this at some point in our lives, like when a moving bus suddenly stops and we lurch forward. Something similar would happen to everything on the Earth, but the result would probably be many times more devastating than we can imagine. Once the rotation stops, except for the north and south poles, everything attached to the Earth would move in the eastward direction at a tremendous speed of over 1,000 miles per hour. Whether it's a human, animal, or tall city buildings, it wouldn't matter. And the speed would be so high that at that moment, we humans would be moving at a speed surpassing that of a 9.5-inch caliber bullet, meaning everything would be destroyed in an instant. Those who were traveling in airplanes at that time would have a higher chance of surviving, but even safer would be the astronauts working at space stations above the Earth. However, human civilization present on Earth would be completely wiped out within a few seconds, leaving behind only debris of buildings and roads. Before continuing, if you haven't already done so, remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Now, two questions arise. First, why would everything move in the eastward direction? Well, the Earth rotates in the eastward direction, so when its rotation stops, everything attached to its surface would try to move eastward, which is a good example of Newton's first law. And if everything gains such immense speed, wouldn't we escape the Earth's gravitational pull and reach space? To send any object into space, free from the Earth's gravitational force, it needs to achieve a speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour, known as the escape velocity. If an object's speed is less than that, it cannot escape the Earth. So when everything tries to move eastward, the same would happen to the oceans and seas, meaning there would be mega tsunamis and sea waves so high that we cannot even imagine. Because of this, many major countries would go underwater. The Earth's rotation would stop, but the atmosphere present on Earth would continue to be flung away due to the Earth's rotational speed, causing devastating storms that would destroy everything. Due to the Earth's rotation around its axis, a large amount of water accumulates in the equatorial regions in the form of a bulge. If this rotation stops, the excess water at the equator would move towards the north and south poles, submerging them. So any humans still surviving at the two poles might also end up underwater. Do you know that just like the Earth's outer surface rotates, its inner core also rotates but at a much higher speed? So if the Earth's outer surface stops rotating, it doesn't mean that its inner core would also stop rotating. There would be a massive rotational speed gap between the Earth's outer and inner surface regions, directly affecting the tectonic plates present inside the Earth, resulting in supervolcanic eruptions worldwide. Since the Earth rotates, we have day and night. At that time, one half of the Earth would experience 6 months of day, and the other half would experience 6 months of night, meaning one side would be extremely hot and the other side would be equally cold. Imagine how difficult it would be for humans like us to survive on such planets. However, the boundary line between these two regions could still be a good choice for humans to live. The side of the Earth facing the sun would become hotter, causing rapid evaporation of rivers and oceans, leading to more rainfall in that area. Gradually, the condition of that part of the Earth would become like Venus. On the other hand, the opposite side of the Earth, away from the sun, would become extremely cold, and the atmosphere there would become denser and denser, eventually turning into a liquid and then a solid state. However, the conversion of the air into a solid form is very difficult, because when it starts to turn into a liquid, a vacuum space would be created there. At the same time, The hot air from the other side would rush towards this cold area, causing heat and cold air masses. It's possible that this could make the area habitable for humans, but the resulting storms and hurricanes would be extremely dangerous. The Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from cosmic radiation, is generated by the dynamo effect caused by the Earth's rotation. If the rotation stops, this magnetic field would also disappear, and any remaining life on Earth would be exposed to lethal cosmic radiation, leading to its complete extinction. But would the Earth's rotation ever stop? You might be surprised to know that this could happen 1 billion years from now. According to a NASA calculation, the length of the day increases by 2.3 milliseconds every 100 years, which means that perhaps 1 billion years from now, the Earth's rotation might stop. If you found out that the Earth would stop rotating tomorrow, what would be the first thing you would try to do to survive? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Here we are at the end of this video. Let me know in the comments what you think and share it with friends. Thanks, and see you next time.